Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn JPA repository. JPA repository is an interface which will provide basic operations like CRUD, create, read, update, delete. Operations can be performed by using JPA repository. On the top of that, we can perform paging and sorting. So these paging and sortings may not be available at CRUD repository, but these two are available at JPA repository. Whenever you want to perform paging operations or like sorting operations, you can use JPA repository, and few additional functions are available at JPA repository compared to CRUD. If you want to perform basic create, read, delete, update, you can go for CRUD repository, but you want to perform additional operations like paging, sorting, batch operations, list operations, that you can go for JPA repository. So as I said, we have built-in methods like saveAll, and additional features like CRUD repository. But on the top of that, we have batch operations as well as sorting and paging operations available here. So you can write custom methods and you can perform batch operations. This batch operations won't be available at CRUD, as well as paging and sorting won't be available at CRUD. If you look at the hierarchy, JPA repository is an extension of list CRUD, list paging and sorting. List paging and sorting is extension of paging and sorting. So other way, this JPA repository extends list CRUD, that extends CRUD. So technically, JPA repository interface extends two interfaces: list CRUD repository, list paging and sorting. So if you look at in this page, JPA repository we can categorize all the functions in three different buckets. CRUD operations like save, delete, findAll, exist, deleteAll. These are all available from the CRUD repository. So we are inheriting from CRUD repository. And paging and sorting, findAll and sort them, findAll and do the pagination, pageable. This is available from list paging. And we have batch operations. We can delete all by using batch operations. So benefits of this JPA repository is that we have less boilerplate code, as well as we have additional methods like sorting and paging, and we can easily customize the functions. When you develop a JPA repository or you want to deal with the database through JPA repository, you will create a entity class, and we annotate the class with entity, and we'll create an ID which points to a column, primary key column. And we'll be writing our own interface which extends JPA repository, and we'll be providing entity as well as primary key column type. We will write a service, and we will be accessing repository interface, and we'll be auto varying. So Spring Boot is going to create an object for this repository. We can straight away use these functions. If you look at product repository.save, it's nothing but Spring Boot proxy class implementations method. So this is how I can use the service at a client. So I'll be writing example functions or example project for this. So this is like a theory class for today. Thank you very much.